the concept for the school, it was like the best thing that these kids in my community could have. The idea of being able to teach them a reading, writing, and arithmetic, plus a trade skill, plus give them a living wage when they graduate, plus being able to have an associate's degree with no student loan debt, and then 2 pieces of property with no interest loans. This opportunity was miraculous. I was like, I gotta meet this man, so.
So that's how we met?
Kind of.
My name is Jamarian Lightfoot, 14 years old, so this is my 2nd year here. Build-up is kind of great. It's not the same as regular Birmingham City schools. It's a little bit better because I have the opportunity to get more one-on-one time with teachers, learn a little both sides of working and learning at the same time.
A lot of the mathematics in the classroom is 2-dimensional. And so for students to come out of the classroom and the world be their classroom where they're building, that's really the vision of education. And then while they're learning that, they're also setting the students up to become entrepreneurs or homeowners. In addition to addressing the labor shortage, you're also empowering this individual to develop some life skills and also financial literacy. Think about what that does for the city of Birmingham as a whole. And in addition to developing this individual, you're also reducing crime, you're reducing poverty. There's so many things that this labor shortage that we're addressing is helping out with so many facets of the problems that plague us in urban America.
We have a lot of poverty around here, and we have a good part of it too. When I see this community, I think of a better place where it could be.
We're only going to go where we're wanted and needed. And Inslee ended up becoming that perfect community for us to get started in. So we're both solving the community issue of fair housing, safe housing, affordable housing, but we're also hopefully solving, or at least being a part of the solution for the economic challenges that a community like Birmingham sees, where you don't have enough labor to even keep an industry afloat. We needed to create a reason for people to come back to Inslee, but also needed to have quality, dignified housing there that was affordable for the residents as well.
What is unique is the housing opportunities that the young people and their families are presented is to enter into a home ownership opportunity at 0% interest. This is totally liberating. It allows you to own a home, build wealth without becoming a slave to that debt, and it's just deeply transformative. So this home was actually in a totally different city, and it was literally moved here onto an empty lot. So my son was also a part of the crew that helped to rehab it. So that was really exciting for him to actually see this come alive right in front of him.
As our young people graduate and own homes and begin expanding and owning more property because they understand how real estate markets work, they're going to be leading that longer-term change.
This is a project that helps young people who would not have opportunities or would be marginalized because of their situations to actually have a legitimate shot at becoming healthy, productive, contributing citizens, and to create wealth for themselves or generational wealth for themselves to turn things around.